Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can review filtered comments on TikTok. So to review filtered comments on TikTok, you can follow these steps. First, open your TikTok application. So launch the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure that you already log in, and then just go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Then access the settings by tapping the three horizontal lines at the top right corner or the hamburger menu, and here click on the settings on privacy from the drop down and go to the command section. So you can go to the privacy in here, tap on it and select commands under the interaction section. Tap on commands. So if you are not already enabled the command filter, you can enable it first, or you can also use filter specific words in here. Enable this one. So ensure that the filter or comments or filter offensive specific keywords or unwanted comments are enabled. Depend on your preferences, and you can also add custom keywords in here in this filter specific keywords. So if you want to review the filter commands, you can click on this. So when filters are enabled, the comments that are flagged as offensive or contain specific keywords will not appear publicly under your videos. So you need to review the comment first. You can go to the specific video where the comments are filtered, and you can open the comment section by tapping on the comments icon, and you can filter the comments. The filtered comments are generally visible only to you in a separate section within the comments or under a specific filtered comments tag, this one right here. So you can approve or delete the filtered comments. So when you click on this, if there are any offensive or comments containing specific keywords that you are set, it will appear in here. You can approve or delete the filtered comments depending on your TikToks. You can choose to approve comments if you find them appropriate, or you can also delete comments if they remain inappropriate. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can modify your command, and how you can review filter commands on TikTok app. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. You can also leave a comment, click on the thanks, and subscribe. Bye.